This is the FMS Suzuki Jimny. It's probably one of the most detailed cars you can get. The detail on it, even the hood, the bottom of it, like even the parts where you can't really see it, it's just so detailed. This thing a few years ago was about almost $300, with the TRXM being 1/16 scale, the Suzuki Jimny being 1/12 scale, almost the same size, but the Suzuki Jimny being almost 2 times as much. If you look on the website right now, it used to be around $270, now it's $100. With the Suzuki being $50 cheaper than the TRX4M, I got another one. So, here it is. The FMS Suzuki Jimny. So with this, it comes in this styrofoam, I guess briefcase, I don't even know. It's very convenient for carrying it around and bringing it places. Here it is, the FMS Suzuki Jimny, all in the box. So with this, you get the controller, which is a very, very nice controller. You got the gear switch right here, you got first gear and second gear. You get the lights right here, you can change the lights, the on and off switch, and all the little steering, throttle, all the stuff you can change right here. And the car itself, brand new. Looks like we got some wrap over the windows, so let's take those off. The back door opens, and we got rear seats and this little storage compartment that opens right in there, and also these two seats, those push down, make a nice flat open space. For the suspension, you got one solid axle in the rear and another one in the front. It comes with this little 380 milliamp hour 2-cell LiPo. Here we go. We got the old Jimny and the new one. For $100, having a Jimny, it is so worth it because these things are just absolutely incredible.